we pass the rope inside the carabiner. We make a overhand loop on the outside of the running hand, not inside of the bight, but outside here. We take the rope, the running hand, and we put it over the standing part. Then we turn it under it, and we put the running hand inside this overhand loop, but from below. We put the running hand under this bight, this piece of the bight, inside again this loop in the middle. By doing that, we have made the bowline with the loop around the standing part. So we have done the knot.